Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's be real for a second. Creating long-form AI videos can be so frustrating. Most tools either charge you crazy monthly fees, limit your video length, or can't even keep your characters consistent from one scene to another. But what if I told you there's a way to create long-form, consistent, high-quality AI videos? I'm talking 20 to 30 minutes long, completely free. Well, that's exactly what we're doing today with a tool called VideoInu.com, and trust me, this tool is insane. So let's get started. Alright, first things first, before we head into VideoInu, we need a story. We're going to use ChatGPT to create one. Just open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Write a short story about a children's adventure. It should be interesting, scary, and fun. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate a full story in seconds. You can tweak it, add dialogue, or even extend it later. Once you're happy with the story, just copy it. We'll use it inside VideoInu next. Now, let's go over to VideoInu.com. So just open Google and search VideoInu.com. This is the logo right here, and when you click on it, you'll land on a beautiful interface. Right away, you'll see different creators, projects, and examples of what you can make, from short stories to animated scenes. There are multiple styles, themes, and genres you can explore. It's very beginner friendly and visually appealing. Now click on Start for free and log in with your Gmail. Once you log in, you notice something awesome. You get 500 free coupons every single day. These coupons are what you use to generate videos. As you can see here, I've already used a few, but the cool part is they refill daily, so you can literally make new videos every day without paying anything. Now let's start creating our video. Go to AI video generation on the dashboard, click on it, and then click this little button that says busy script. Choose basic script and click on confirm. Next, you choose your video style. Click on this right here and choose Zootopia. This one's really fun, colorful, and perfect for storytelling. Now, under duration, you can select how long you want your video to be. For this demonstration, I'll pick 30 seconds so it processes quickly. But remember, you can go all the way up to 30 minutes for free. Next, choose your video size. You can go with landscape 16:9 for YouTube or portrait 9 for TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts. For this one, I'll choose 9:16 since I want to post across multiple platforms. You can also choose your language. There are tons of options here, which is great if you create multilingual content. Now paste in the story you got from ChatGPT right into the text box and then click Create. Once it's processed, VideoInu will automatically generate your cast, refined story, and key shot preview. This is where the AI refines your scenes and matches them with visuals. If you're not satisfied, you can click Regenerate to adjust it, but if you're happy, click Next. Now you'll see all your shots laid out. You can preview each one, tweak them, or regenerate specific scenes until it looks perfect. Next, let's choose a voice. Click on the little speaker icon and you see a list of AI voices to pick from. I'm going to select Olivia because I really like the clarity and tone. Once you're done, click OK. Now, let's add animation. Click Animate and you see a bunch of 3D models and motion styles. Choose the one that fits your story's vibe, then click OK. The only part that takes a bit of time here is that you need to animate each image manually. So, click on the image you want, hit Animate, choose your model, and repeat for the rest. You can also add lip sync, which makes your characters actually move their mouths when they talk. Pretty cool, right? Once you're happy with all your animations, click Next. Now it's time to add your title. If you don't want a title, just choose No Title. But if you do, you can pick from several font styles and layouts that look great. After that, click Generate and VideoInu will start creating your full video. You see progress as it renders, and once it's done, you can preview or download it right away. And just like that, you've got your first AI generated video created entirely for free. You can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or even combine multiple videos to make full-length series or storytelling channels.
The Forest's Game. Mia whispers to Leo as green light pulses beyond the curtains. They tiptoe into the hallway, listening closely for Grandma's steady breathing. In the kitchen, they quietly open drawers and find 2 flashlights. Mia unbolts the back door while Leo watches, determined and careful. They step onto the porch. The green glow flares between distant trees. Under towering pines, mist curls while mushrooms shimmer with blue light. A swift shadow cuts their beams. Mia calls out as Leo raises his light. The keeper of the lost emerges, lantern swirling green fire between them. Trees pivot. The trail erases as the keeper rasps the forest's game. They dash along a whispering river, leap a slick log, chasing a green moat. A crow dives. Mia dazzles it while Leo shields his lens, and it wheels away. 3 etched stones glow. Mia traces lines as Leo recites the solved riddle. They burst through the hedge into Grandma's garden. Dawn loosens the forest's hold.
This is honestly one of the easiest and most affordable ways to build a faceless content business with AI right now. So there you go, that's exactly how you can create long-form AI videos with consistent characters using VideoInu.com, all for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of AI tutorials you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.